This video shows how Read and Write for Google Chrome can be used to read text aloud in Google Docs, Word docs, websites, and more. To use text-to-speech in a doc, place your cursor where you want to start reading and click the play button.
Have you ever heard of James Robert Cade? Cade invented Gatorade. This drink has helped athletes stay healthy for the past 50 years.
Read and Write uses dual color highlighting, which helps improve comprehension. You can customize the voice, reading speed, and other preferences under the Settings menu. Click Change Voice to select your read aloud voice. Read and Write includes a wide variety of options, including super realistic AI-powered voices. You can search by keywords and preview what each voice sounds like.
Hello, this is your new voice.
Continuous reading controls whether Read and Write reads continuously through the whole page or reads only what you've selected. Speak as I Type reads back your text to you as you're typing. To read text on the web, use hover speech to simply hover over some text with your cursor.
In 1954, MLK became the pastor at a church in Montgomery, Alabama.
You can also use text-to-speech in Google Slides,
Great white sharks,
learning management systems, OneNote Online, and more. To learn more about Read and Write, visit the Academy.